So today I will be using my drill. I purchased this drill from Amazon.com. I am going to be using this sanding drill, a cuticle drill bit, and a safety bit. Make sure you follow me on Instagram at So I'm just going to start by removing the acrylic. Not all of it, just to thin it down a little bit. I don't want to apply my infill and the nails are really bulky and thick. So I'm just going to go around the cuticle area. Any product that is lifted, you want to make sure that you remove that. And then I'm just thinning out the acrylic. Please go check out my website. Make sure that you look in the gallery to see all of the nail looks that I have done. And if you want to request a specific nail look, please make sure you comment about that below. So now I am going to take this cuticle bit to go around my cuticle area and make sure that there is no cuticles or skin that could cause lifting in the future. Here I'm just showing you how I would do that on all of the nails. And here I am removing thickness again and removing any acrylic that is lifted. I actually did a new set after these nails, so if you would like to see how I remove my acrylic nails, please check that video out. And the set that I did after this was the fruit nails, so make sure that you check those out as well. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. So now I am going in with the sanding tool to make sure that the acrylic is flush to my natural nail. Next, you apply your dehydrator and your primer, and then apply your acrylic. So remember, you don't need a lot, you're just filling it in. If you are enjoying this video, please make sure that you like and share it. So now I'm going to take the sanding tool and just go over everything, make sure that everything is nice and smooth. And then I'm going to go in with my hand files and make sure that I buff and shape the nail to my liking. And after that, you can apply your design again if you want to. But because I was going to do a new set, I didn't do that. I just wanted to show you all how I would fill in my nails. So there you go. You see the one that needs a fill in and the one that I just filled in. So don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.